I use smartphones, and I like. I'm sorry. I like his topic, and I'm also a developer, and we develop in one way his programming language is PHP and mine as well.
PHP,
and mine as well. So he's kind of my brother. Okay. So okay, topic was okay, and I'm okay as well.
Are you brother?
Huh?
Maybe you're.
Yeah, maybe.
Family meeting. Any more feedback on Alex?
Well, I would say from my side that it was really interesting that Alex tried to use visualization and show the example of that, and I guess it would be workable with any printed sign, and just it's because of lack of artificial intelligence in that application that it couldn't recognize his writing, but the idea was great to show the example for those who didn't get the meaning from the presentation, because probably not all of us are facing with such issues during their life. So it was a good point to show that in other way.
And some life may have been saved because it was a warning sharks.
+1 for this idea.
Right. Yeah, so it means you are helping people, it's not kind of nonsense kind of application. It's
That's
very
right to
useful.
all of us. Absolutely.
Thank you.